Oh. It's you guys. Welcome back. I didn't know you were watching.
Okay, time for a quick update. The old man has more projects on the go than we can shake a stick at. I don't know how he does it. Nice. Nice. Oh, nice.
Don't film this, I haven't got a fucking Scooby what I'm doing.
Tom has taken on a project that doesn't involve a Harley Davidson or a Ducati engine. Weird. I've been learning a new sport that doesn't have handlebars or an engine. That's even weirder. This is fun!
Welcome to Mint Customs. Sam, where are you, man? I need your help.
I am on my way to America. Boston, to be exact. I spent some time in the winter learning how to slide down a hill on snow. I haven't come up with a name for it yet, but it's great fun. I never knew you could have so much fun without a high-powered gasoline-guzzling engine. And thanks to jet lag, I'm up nice and early every morning. Shh. Running is like completely different to cycling. I've managed 1.6 kilometers in 10 minutes and I'm completely destroyed. Gasoline guzzling engines have taken a bit of a back seat. After exploring Boston and visiting Madhouse Motors, I'll add a link to their website in the description. I drove from Boston to Providence in Rhode Island. I have a hire car for the first time. I've been here a week and I haven't even had a car this whole time, so I've been getting the train, getting Ubers, walking a lot of places. So today I'm taking full advantage of having a car and I'm driving to the mountain to go snowboarding. And I've done 4 lessons of snowboarding indoors in England. I've never been on a mountain before, so this is going to be very interesting. Oh, and I have my breakfast. Dunkin' Donuts is extremely popular and I'm taking full advantage of that as well. Going into the clouds now. This is high and very cold. Holy crap. Oh shit.
This is the XS Yamaha Walking Dead build. Let me show you around. So a cool dude named Chris messaged Mint on Instagram the other day saying, "Hey guys, you got time to build a bike?" And I was like, "Yeah, possibly. What bike?" He said, "Well, I'm a really big fan of the Walking Dead TV series, and I love the bike that was in the first sort of 3 seasons, I think. And it was actually a Triumph engine, but it's a chopper, really huge, long front forks, low down rear, cool pillion seat on it." Let me just show you around it, it's a lot easier. Yeah. So I've made seat pans, 2, bitch pad, normal pad. That's for the oil tank, technically as they're called. Won't need an oil tank, so I'm going to make one anyway, just to put all the electrics and hide a bunch of crap you don't want to see on a custom build bike. Yeah, battery box. It's going to have big old 8 bars on. Front end is going to be 8 inches longer, so the front of the bike is going to be really high up. Tank, twin fillers. Tried to stick to the original look of the bike, including the really short sissy bar. So yeah, I think I'm gonna crack on with the oil tank today. probably open up one side to be able to fit all the electrics and whatnot in. This is it so far. He wants to keep the bike pretty ratty looking, which is cool. So we'll clean these carbs out because one's stuck. He wants forwards as well. So I'm going to have to build some forwards for him and extend the gear lever down to the forwards. I've got to put some rearsies on as well for pillion. Literally a badass, you're going to have a sore ass. Next I've got to tackle the front end, try and get 8 inches of extraness on it. 8 inches is a lot. That's what she said.
Back on the mountain,
Look how empty it is.
it's pretty much rained for the whole of the first day. But I was way too excited to notice any rain.
Waffles.
Okay, we are driven about an hour and a half, and now I'm sat on a ski lift going to the top of a mountain, and there is no one on it. We pretty much have the whole place to ourselves, which was great because I needed some practice without anyone getting in my way. It's still raining, but there's nothing we can do about that. So the bit I was worried about was getting onto the ski lift, and I've managed to do that, so I'm pretty happy about that. Now I just have to get back to the bottom again. It's fucking cold though. I'm gonna attempt the bigger mountain now. Feeling confident. I'm now heading into the woods. Look at this, it's fucking ridiculous. I'm gonna have to dodge all of these trees and those rocks. Shouldn't have got on this lift. Despite the weather and having no friends, I had a great time, and the second and third days on the mountain are gonna be epic. Time to head home, eat some dinner and get some sleep because I've had 6 hours of snowboarding and I'm done.
Here he is.
Sam, I wish you were here, man. I can talk to you.
Thomas has been busy. All of the welding and fabrication is done, and the new hardtail frame is back from the powder coaters. Craig, the machinist, is here dropping off a few parts to complete the build.
It won't be any more.
What have you done to it?
Nothing.
Hello YouTube. Welcome back to Mint Customs. This is a sneaky one-off episode. This is the Walking Dead episode.
Grind the top rail. Yeah. That'd be tight.
The second day on the mountain, the weather had improved. It's a shame my riding hasn't. But I'm sure back at the workshop, the boys were busy getting work done.
You guys have seen the frame unpowder coated and the engine inside the frame. Now, I've done a little bit more now. Would you like to see? Giving the engine a bit of a clean, but I've kept it nice and ratty looking still. Big old front forks. So Chris, how's your bike? Do you like it so far?
No, shell in red. It's way harder than it looks.
So this bike has been a bit of a pain in the arse, I must admit. Nothing's fit. The frame wasn't really, well, it wasn't for the engine, so I've made the engine fit in the frame. I had to get a rear spindle made. Brake levers in place. Yep. Battery's in. It's bright orange battery, but it won't be bright orange forever. I'm gonna wrap some tape around it or something. Because that is just wow. Coil's mounted. Yokes are done. Still got a wirer. Still got a firer. I'm sorry I haven't got any more footage of it being put together to this stage, but it's pretty simple really. Threw the engine in.
Getting out of my comfort zone and learning a completely new sport has been the hardest thing, but I have really enjoyed it.
I'm at Tom's custom shop. What's going on? He's building me some pipes.
Also, a massive well done to Thomas for taking on his own project. I think it's way better than the one featured in The Walking Dead. It's great to see the two Toms getting all the finishing touches done. This exhaust system's going to be insane. Hot Rod Tom, or now he's known as Tom's Custom Shop, has his own YouTube channel. He releases videos on custom exhaust systems for hot rods and motorcycles. The link to his channel is in the description below. My time in America was coming to an end. And little did we know, a virus was about to take over the planet.
Home sweet home. Hello? Tom, answer your phone! Answer your phone! God damn. Why didn't he answer his phone? You alright, boys? What's going on?
The Walking Dead Yamaha 650xs with a hardtail frame. This took Moose 6 weeks to build. She's keen, she's mean, she's a zombie fighting machine.
The Walking Dead bike.
That's it, perfect.